Alaji. Sanu.
Which Alaji? I don't be any Alaji. I'm Igbo boy.
Countries like this. Okay. I don't remember you disguise so madam no go no say you Igbo boys. You not to get sense. And the thing come fit you. You get one Alaji where they say kuli. Now you resemble Alaji Dan Tata.
Okay, you don't do. I don't be Alaji. I'm Igbo boy. I'm from Imo State here.
You? From Imo?
Yes, now.
And then Pagala Mogonimo.
Okay, have to go to Pagala Mogonimo. And people back to know also. Ready?
Wow.
Start to go.
Your mommy fine no.
Which mommy? Okay, which mommy? If you mind your business, do it. I say make you go to.
Is she your mama? Okay. I don't understand that kind of mommy.
Okay. But we go neighbor. Strong. Bolombolom the
original
one.
The normal balloon. Na balloon. Even before I did for Lagos Island, na balloon I dey sell. That time we will do one film like that. Now me go buy the balloon with yes. Okay,
what they use for the room?
For the film, yes, inside the room for the film. Now 3,000 own.
Start higher. Then you can make you from the original
one. Okay. I'm coming.
Sharp. Because be careful, okay.
Oh, baby. La la. Which color you like pass? You see this one, they write a happy birthday. This one, a happy birthday. This one, happy birthday. This one, happy married life. This one, now today be a birthday, Abby. You don't need cake. One woman they do cake for outside though, and we still get drink where you go take it down. Take.
Where the bolobolo was say make you buy?
This one now waiting. Go, you go bomb me.
Oh, that's him get strong bolobolo.
Bolombolom na no be
which kind bolombolom? Oh, what is that bolombolom I come to use?
Which one you go use? You go use small one where they don't write anything. This one beautifies it. This one makes it like when grandmama they do something. Now this one grandmama then they use do something. And the person who is there na grandmama. Now you make her go buy this one where they don't write grandmama happy birthday. Now small children they use plain one where they don't write anything. So I help you select this one. Now Hindi they call adult bolo.
If you never old, I will slap you.
If you never old, I call you so was you.
If you never old, I will slap you, okay? I say get gas from bolo. Ima bolo need you long.
Huh? Bolombolane jemen.
Irion.
Bolombolane jerion. Chokwe. Chedu. You mean bolombolo?
Which one you mean bolombolo?
Wait. Now what you send me make I go buy for you? Bolombolo jerion. Did mama hakam no? Eri ni mo para wato. Somebody that is being soaked in the blood of the lamb. Nwa chukwo to ofumbranya Chineke jahuz. Don't you hear it when God said you are the apple of God's eyes? Mbese uru apple of bolombolo. So bolombolo geje eri ne go hin so kam ga go trade. Give buru enyi brele party ganga dobe. Le hi buru le ko kutu ku hi mabule. Nkuro bi omare ka go no. See am abi bere no dey feel like can stand up. Arthritis don't hold am. Arthritis. Yeah, mama arthritis. Mother people, happy birthday, grandma. I wish you long life and prosperity.
Baby, look what is going on here. How come this man? See, that's Ramu Bolombolo. Ogaga Sam, you must be Oji Baho.
This is your fault.
Otole.
You should have told him to get you on. This is an old man.
Hey.
His brains are not functioning well.
Hey, Nebaroka. Okay, wasted mother. See, as the open mouth. You should have told him to buy you condom. My mama will be your old mate, age mate. My mama no fit mention this thing again. My mama said if possible, waiting my mama go use condom they do at this age, at this your age. You go see now, no, otazi age ago mugo. Nzu, omo ihe age eme odide. Omo na alo nwa. Etisha amamiri oko. How you go take put all that inside soup to give your.
Anybody
that drop when she be that like you. You look at in fact the nigga na go bitter something.
Up and can't tell you when you go. Now this one, now you go fetch me. Hey, on can't tell you when it's what you here now. Just Jenny,
Who employed you?
But never employ.
We need to see the manager of this company. Don't take trouble.
Anybody who are supposed to see now, your great grandchildren, I'll go report to them that this is what your grandmother is doing. Small child like this carry you, gonna bed. Shake and
baby, go inside.
Go inside.
Go inside. Let me treat this now.
Go inside. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
My love, just go inside. Don't worry.
Madam Arthritis.
Don't worry, baby. Yeah.
Don't talk.
Ke hanga ponka. Ki mebisire. Chọrọ iri ka ị chọrọ imebisire.
Ana-azọ nwata ndị ya sọwọ nwoke.
Chere ọrụ m chọrọ iri ka imebisire. Ama akụ gị no. Ewezugo ofu ihe ma. Ewezugo ma kụwara gị ndosi iji ya na-akpagharị. Stram condom ke ga-butere m balloon. Ọ balloon ka ị na-use. Ebe were ya kụwara gị ihe jiri ndụ. Were ya kụwara gị ahụ ezu obi ike iji balloon bụ inye m. Imebisiara m ọrụ. Ị ga na-respect onwe gị. Ị ga-like him. Rubbish.
Ama m ga-like gị, m ga-amụchari like ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Eji bida. Otu ishiri gbawa ihe ka ndị eluigwe ga-esi agbawa. Nwaanyị ahụ ga-atapịa gị akwa taa. Mma Chukwu. Akwa anyị kiri bịa taa ma gị jikwa akwa gị lata gị kpọm onye oshi. Ọkwa ịhụrụ aka na-ekere n'isi. Ị ga-akụgide ndị mpa aka n'isi gị si ya agwụ. Maka akụtado ndebe gị kpọm onye oshi. Stupid idiot. He said they should buy you balloon. Adult balloon. I went to buy this one. Children get balloon when they take do their own birthday. This one adult balloon. Where did I go wrong? You don't go show me because you carry your mama come hotel. Idiot. What is it? Good morning. Must I go to money mass? Him grab money English. I don't stop the go money mass. Money, in fact, money arithmetic call him Shuba. Issue money CRK. Issue money biology. Yeah. He can money mass. I will him got in fact him got well here. Agram physics money. Mona took one so quickly. Don't involve Chuku in this. Chuku no Romwe. He has given us authority to trumpet over snakes. Triumph! Oh, what to trot? You do they teach English. Oh, you know to teach English. Try English as Hamish. What is it, sir? Oh, you've not heard. I have joined paganism.
God forbid, but
he can never forgive.
God, I reject it for you.
You cannot choose for me what to serve. I and my family, we have decided to serve the deity of our time. In fact, I'm going now to buy Arish. I'm going to all these people where they do mortar. Equal. Piano, Arish Trogologum Gawum, Dawiote, Crystal, tie him around his waist. Take there, they give him blood, they give him chicken.
Brother Peter, it is well with you. Any spirit of paganism in you. Fire!
Any fire will go come out here and I hear go wrong. Because I don't tire. I don't tire every day. Money. What was that information I heard last week? It was from you and that your brother, Nicodemus, when they follow you. Say, Pope will die. Say, all Christians must contribute to money when they go take a bury Pope.
No,
who does that?
No, brother Imo, you are missing it here. Me and brother Nico, tell you say they announce that out of our free will, we can give anything. They will send it back to Vatican as our condolence. Won't you send your own condolence? What is that? We
will send anything to our condolence.
Yes, our condolence. Anything.
The day I go die, who go come send for me?
We'll send for you now.
You go send for me. I go send for you. How many years every year? Pope Money. Does Pope know who I be? Pope no, I send die now. Supposed to share some certain things. Send them over, make all of us share. I said, I got total. Also, all Christians. I said, also Catholics. All Christians, I got total. Who does that?
That is not what they said. Chifimo, you are just brother Imo. Here in the name is very wrong. It's very wrong. Anytime I go to home too, you not working. Every time they say contribute for burial, you'll be running up and down. You don't know where the one that will contribute for you tomorrow now. Instead of you to contribute, I'm going to do 100,000 naira. It's here back as your own condolence this thing. It's just a free will. Stop being stingy. But that
was what they told me and I got angry. I said, why would they make it mandatory? It's supposed to be a free will something. If somebody decides, this is the seed I want to sow for this our departed soul. This is what I want to do for that our departed soul. It's a free will thing. It's not making it mandatory that you must do this. That was what got me angry.
is Nico. How would you not have that consciousness, that conscience to give Pope something? Then why? What is the use of you going to church?
All the while Pope is existing.
I know we know you, but Pope does not know anybody in the church. He doesn't know anybody in the church. So leave it. Contribute. Stop being stingy. Is it because of this thing that you say you want to leave Catholic Church?
I want to say Catholic even church. You all about such. Grow one more. Come on, my bank or come. Even though I know say and what they bought him. Oh, you name neighbor. That is what I stand for. Wherever you are, sit down there and keep on doing what you are doing. So whatever you do when you are alive, that is what will count. Have I not been contributing all this while? But the thing just enter my head. It can't be like saying another thing.
It's nothing. Leave it. Last time, right? Are you okay? It's okay.
I know where you are going to. Just talk about the money where you want to collect. Okay, go kitchen.
That money I asked you to give me the other day, that I want to use to start small business. You know that since at this age, I've not had a boyfriend. I'm keeping my body for Christ.
Sorry.
But please, I want you to help me.
Then whoever you are keeping your body to should establish you. You cannot keep your body for Christ. Then I will keep my body for numerous women. All they are just in this community. Let me get them. Wherever you serve, that is where you will take your salary. You cannot work for devil and you collect salary from God. It does not happen. So eat where you work for. I took my leave. See you in the morning mass tomorrow.
Brother Chiefimo, Brother Imo, help. Brother Imo, may God save your soul.